Sono's Reviews has finally become a YouTube partner. Please notice the join button below, become a member for exclusive perks, including priority chat response and voting on what we will build and review next. Your support helps us produce more reviews to help you decide what to love making next.
Thank you for watching the episode of Sono's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This bag of bricks here that I got from Temu.
These bricks will combine to form Voltron, Defender of the Universe.
This guy. Yeah, so a mini little Voltron, which I think is going to be pretty fun and exciting. Yeah, they are Lego-sized bricks, but they're fake Lego. We'll get this put together for you on camera here, and then give it a quick review when we're done. Alright, let's get building.
I think it's time for the big guy! Activate interlock! Dinotherms connected! Infracells up! Mega thrusters are go!
Let's go, Voltron Force!
Form, feet, and legs! Form, arms, and body! And I'll form the head! Form blazing sword! Form blazing sword!
Okay, Voltron Defender of the Universe is all done. This one is a little bit difficult. I love it, but it's got some serious shortcomings. I might revisit this with an order from ChowBrick.com. They have the same build, just to see if there's an improvement in the quality. The brick performance was great with this. Things went very well. Very much Lego-like in quality. As far as they're snapped together, not bad at all. The biggest issue was essentially two things. In the instructions, there are areas that have what looks like screen printed or maybe stickers on the bricks. So like here, as well as on each line here and here. There were numbers, and then here this had like the Voltron crest on there. But as you see, there's nothing there. If you look at the pictures on ChowBrick, it doesn't show anything printed on either. So I'm not real disappointed that they're not printed. I think mostly just because I see that it could have been a possibility that the disappointment lies there. But otherwise, I think he looks really good. He looks a whole lot like Voltron. I think it's a very successful build. I did have a few missing pieces. Fortunately, I had some that I could make it up for. I would have been very disappointed if I couldn't have gotten him all together. But we did pretty well. He is not a huge build, just under 800 pieces, I believe. It took me probably 2.5, 3 hours altogether to put him together, since I'm taking pictures as I go. So it takes a little bit more time that way. He's very stable. No issues with it falling apart or falling over, really. He does have some posability. His arms do pretty good. Let's just put one stop in here. So arms go up and down there. He's got a joint there at the elbow. His little mouth's open on the arms anyway. On the ground, on the legs they don't. There's a little bit of pivot here at the hip joint, and a little bit of pivot down at the ankle as well. And then of course he can, oops, you see, this one does want to kind of come off sometimes. So not perfect performance, but I have honestly had Lego ones like that fall off too. But yeah, so he's got, he can pivot a little bit there. This head does pivot around and turn. And, he's got this sword, which I think they did an okay job of trying to replicate Voltron's sword. And he holds it into the mouth pretty good there in red line. Yeah, but for, something that's supposed to look like Voltron, it certainly accomplishes that. It was fun. I had fun pretty much the whole way putting him together. I really enjoyed him. I just was a little disappointed in the missing bricks, and of course, like I said, the lack of screen printing or decals that would just add that much more to the build. But I got him from Temu, and pretty cheaply, and a lot of things at times I found from the ones I get from Temu tend to often have missing bricks. So that's probably the situation there. But like I said, I might get order from ChowBrick just to see, again, if the all the bricks come the way they're supposed to see if it was just a Temu thing or if it's a manufacturer thing. I'm sure this is a ripoff, a Chinese ripoff of Voltron. I obviously, you've probably seen Lego has a very, very nice, very detailed Voltron build, which I've been very tempted to have or get, but I never have. And you can find a bunch of knockoffs of these. But this is just, just a, what I want to say, impression of Voltron. This is a nice small impression of Voltron that is very successfully executed, I would say. That's what I would try to say. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching Stallone's Reviews. Please hit that like button. Please, please, please subscribe. We're so close to 500 subscribers, I just can't wait, but we're almost there. And we will figure out what to build next. Hopefully this review helped you decide whether you want to make your own mini Voltron or not. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $1 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. That $1 could help you decide what to love making next. Maybe it'll be a mini Voltron. Alright, thanks for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.